YouTube. In this video, we will be discussing how to use the turn signals on the Kia Soul. And if this video provided value for you, make sure you leave a like, consider subscribing, and without further ado, let's get into it. So what we'll be using is this lever here on the left side of the steering wheel. What you're going to do is take this lever, and you can see it has the left and right turn signals right here. That means you're going to use this whole lever and bump the lever up to go right. As you can see on the instrument panel, it signals right, or down for left. You're going to use this whole left lever. That's it. That's all. And to use your hazard lights right here in the center display, push that. You see it blinking? That's your hazard lights. That's both of them, okay? For emergency situations. So if you found that helpful, make sure to leave a like, consider subscribing, helping us get to 1,000 subscribers, and I will catch you on the next one.